welcome to the podcast. Today, we have so many software courses out there. But today, we are here with a simple roadmap that can actually help you to find a right tech path for you. So, let's start the podcast. Welcome to the podcast. Today, we are joined by our special guest, Maria, who is Director of Boston Institute of Analytics. Let's welcome her. Hello, ma'am.
Hi all, my name is Maria and I represent Boston Institute of Analytics Gachibowli campus. I come with about 20 years of experience in multiple fields and I've worked in multiple countries as well. And now my passion is analytics and AI. My passion is helping students and working professionals change their domain, or whoever wants to get into analytics and AI. I guide them, I help them with the courses that we offer, and all of the courses that we offer end with a placement support, placement and career support. So if you're looking for a job within AI or analytics, please look up Boston Institute of Analytics Gachibowli campus, and we are here to help you.
Ma'am, could you please explain? Imagine that you're talking to your 5 years old and just elaborate that.
So as a part of Boston Institute of Analytics, we have all our courses which are AI and analytics infused. Now, what is analytics? Analytics is numbers, right? Analytics is ratings or any kind of data. That's in a, yes. So all of our courses teach students how to understand data, how to visualize data, and how to make sense of the data. For example, say a 5-year-old has gone to a
restaurant. As I said.
Yes, absolutely. Has been eating ice cream, right? So 5-year-olds eat ice cream. So they have tasted ice creams from different brands.
Yeah.
And you ask the 5-year-old, give the 5-year-old 5 options. Do you want to have ice cream from Naturals or
so and so?
Yeah. And the 5-year-old will choose. Yeah. Right. So that itself is an analytic.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So multiple times, if you bring 100 5-year-olds and collect data from them,
exactly,
that becomes data.
Yes.
So what we're trying to see here is what is the 5-year-old market right now looking at in terms of ice cream flavor.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. So the data science and AI. So being a data scientist or teaching someone to learn data science,
you give the bigger picture, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So we can give them the data of the 5-year-olds. And they'll be able to tell me or tell us which is the most popular ice cream that the 5-year-olds love.
Yes.
Right? And which branch it is, which ice cream parlor it is, which mall it is in, and why do they like it. It's all going to be represented scientifically because the data has been cleaned, visualized, and understood. Yes. So that is what we learn. That is the most simplest way I could explain it, I think, in terms of what we teach. So we teach data analytics when it comes to finance data.
Yes.
We teach data analytics which comes to sports, which is sports management.
Companies need data to run.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
Companies run on data.
Yes, they run on data because they want all the statistics.
Yes. And that's how they make decisions.
Exactly.
Nobody makes a decision without looking at data and without looking at the trends.
Ma'am, how do you help freshers to start their career?
That's a very interesting question, Kritika, and thank you for that. So freshers right now really struggling to make that entry with corporate.
Yes.
Campus hiring has reduced since COVID, and we are seeing a rapid decline in it. We see our BTech graduates, our MBA grads going from interview to interview and not
just roaming around.
Exactly.
Yeah, they are struggling a lot.
Absolutely.
To find a job.
Absolutely. So MNCs, or to get into corporate, usually the companies look for people with experience.
Yeah.
And there are multiple reasons for that. One of the main reason is to have their hands-on experience. Like so they look for students or employees who've already worked on certain tools. They look for which students wouldn't really have had that experience because their college education wouldn't have supported that.
After that, they have to go and learn and come back then.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
So one of the courses that we offer, especially in the Gachibowli institution, it's called a master diploma. Now we have three types of courses. We have a certification, which is a short-term course.
Okay.
It is 4 months long. It's 3 hours on a Saturday, 3 hours on a Sunday. So anybody can opt for it if you're working or studying, and you can work your schedule around it. We have a diploma, which is 4 months classroom training and 2 months internship. And we have a master diploma, which is 4 months classroom training and 6 months on the job training.
Okay.
So, as a part of the curriculum, the students have access to actual work experience where they would work with an MNC, they would work with real tools, they'll have a real team, they'll have a real project and real responsibilities. And that will help students gain that entry in the corporate space, and that is something that we provide. Encourage students to really look at something like this, because it's a 10-month course, it's a weekend course. You can still do what you're doing. You can, especially students who are in their second years or the final years, can do this in their spare time. By the time they graduate with their bachelor's or their master's, they are industry ready.
I mean, how do you find their talents, their capability?
So these students are students who have already chosen a certain path, right? So we have students who have already chosen computer science as their path. We have students who have already chosen AI as their path. We have students who have chosen management as their path. So these are the students who like their subject matter, but they are not finding a lot of success in getting roles, relevant roles. So we help those students. The gap here is our education system is not able to keep up with the industry requirements.
Yes.
And we help students bridge that gap. At Boston Institute of Analytics in the Gachibowli campus, we have a lot of academic counselors, trainings that they can opt, and we will walk them through it. We will hold their hands while they decide what they want.
People will be guiding them to choose a correct path.
Yes. And we are there with them through their career. Even after
after getting a job as well.
Yes.
Okay.
So we provide career support for the rest of their careers. So after they get their first job, they start working. In a couple of years, they decide to look for something else.
Yeah.
They can come back to our portal and look for the additional job roles and apply. Not courses. They can look for jobs. You have to pay for one course, one time. You will have access to internationally standardized course. You'll get your certification. You'll get your first role, and you'll have career support for the rest of your career.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah, it is.
People who wants to shift their roles or jobs, how do you help them?
So people who are in their current jobs and want to shift their domain or their jobs, they can take up one of the trainings that they are passionate about with us. For example, if they want to move into the IT space or the AI space, they can take up the data science and AI course, holding on to their current job. So they work in their jobs. During the weekends, they do the course, they get their certification, and they do their projects. After that, they will start looking for placements, and they can leverage our website or the access that they've given by us to apply for these roles. Now they have access to a lot of roles that are not available outside. Just because of the affiliation, BIA.
They do have chances.
Yes, absolutely. They have great chances. And they can look for the roles that they are interested. And the reason they have access to those roles is because they've taken up a course with Boston Institute of Analytics at Gachibowli. So they will do the course. We will help them with we have great trainers. Our trainers are not professors or lecturers, but are actual, leaders.
In what time are they going to hire?
After they finish their certification. So if somebody has taken up the 4-month course, they finish their 4-month course, they submit their projects. After that, they can start applying for roles. So they have access to a whole bunch of roles that only BIA students have access to.
Oh.
Yes. And that increases their chance to get that particular role or that interview, right? So after they clear the interview, say somebody got placed at JP Morgan Chase and they started working with JP Morgan Chase. After a couple of years, they want to change. They can come back to their portal and look for additional jobs and apply for them as well. So we, by being a part of our alumni, we offer our students a lifetime career support.
And it was great talking to you, ma'am. And
Likewise.
thank you for your valuable time.
Thank you so much. It has been wonderful being here.